Engines, like humans, tend to hold grudges. They don't forget when you mistreat them, and the consequences can be seriously costly. Think about it every time you stomp on the gas pedal or ignore that blinking light on the dashboard. Your engine is secretly plotting its revenge. Those harmless habits you have developed over the years could be silently wreaking havoc, causing severe damage that adds up over time. Most drivers don't even realize it, but those little mistakes, they're a big deal. What you think is no biggie could actually shorten your engine's life. You might be driving your car into the grave without even knowing it. Don't worry, though, we're diving deep into 9 common habits that stress out your engine. They may seem innocent, but trust me, your engine is not happy about them. Ready to learn how to save your engine? Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that's simple, effective, and could very well save your engine's life. Let's dive in. Number 1, running a motor low on oil or no oil at all. We start off with the big one, oil. It's the lifeblood of your engine. Running low on oil, or heaven forbid, running on no oil at all, is like trying to run a marathon without water. Imagine all the internal parts of your engine grinding against each other with zero lubrication. Not fun? Here's how it works. Oil helps to cool and lubricate engine parts. If the oil level gets too low, there's not enough to go around. This means your engine will overheat. When the oil hits a critical temperature, it loses its ability to lubricate properly. That's when things go downhill. Engine temperatures spike, and your engine may seize, which could lead to parts welding together. When that happens, you can kiss your engine goodbye. Tip: check your oil regularly. Top it up. Don't wait for the oil light to pop up by then. It could be too late. Number 2, constant low RPM driving, aka lugging the engine. Have you ever found yourself driving at low RPMs all the time? That's called lugging the engine. It's a bad habit that can actually be quite harsh on your engine. Here's the problem. When you're driving at low RPMs, especially with a heavy load, your engine doesn't get the right amount of oil, coolant, or airflow. When you're at low RPMs, components like the oil pump, water pump, and the fan slow down too. Less oil pressure and slower coolant flow mean your engine's bearings don't get the protection they need. This results in heat buildup, which can lead to wear and eventually failure. Now, if you're just cruising through some stop-and-go traffic every now and then, it's not the end of the world. Modern engines are designed to handle it, but if you're constantly putting your engine under heavy loads at low RPMs, you might want to reconsider. Tip: shift up when you can and keep that engine in the sweet spot to avoid unnecessary strain. Number 3, excessive engine braking, downshifting too often. Engine braking, using your engine to slow down instead of your brakes, can be handy, but don't overdo it. One of the risks? Over-revving your engine. If you downshift into too low of a gear for your speed, you're essentially making the engine spin faster than it should. This can cause some serious damage, like floating a valve, or worse, having a piston hit the valve. Not to mention, constantly downshifting puts unnecessary wear on your transmission's synchros. It's best to downshift once and stay in that gear as you slow down. Overshifting? Not so great. Tip: use your brakes for everyday stops and save engine braking for long downhills. Number 4, revving an engine cold. Imagine waking up still groggy from sleep and someone shoves you into a sprint. Not fun, right? Well, that's kind of what it's like for your engine when you rev it while it's cold. When the engine's cold, the oil's too thick to lubricate properly. That means vital parts like the pistons and bearings are working overtime with no protection. The common mistake drivers make is thinking that once the temperature gauge is in the normal range, the engine's good to go. But here's the trick: oil warms up slower than the coolant. So even if the coolant seems fine, your engine might still be running on thick oil that's not doing its job. Tip: let your engine warm up naturally before you hit the gas pedal. Number 5, high gear acceleration, pushing the RPMs too high. Ever find yourself flooring the pedal in high gear, revving your engine to the limit? While modern cars can handle some bursts of power, constantly pushing your engine to its max is like running a marathon in sprint mode. Over time, this can wear out components like the crankshaft bearings, and we all know what happens when critical parts start to fail. It's not that you shouldn't floor it every now and then, it's just that you shouldn't do it every time you drive. Your engine is designed to handle moderate revs, so save the full throttle moments for when you really need them. Tip: keep your revs moderate for a healthier engine and better fuel efficiency. Number 6, ignoring fluid leaks. Fluid leaks might seem like small issues, but ignoring them is asking for big trouble. If you notice a leak, get it checked out immediately. Each type of fluid has its own risks. Coolant leaks can overheat the engine, oil leaks can cause fires, and brake fluid leaks, well, they compromise your ability to stop the car. Even small leaks can snowball into much bigger problems. The longer you let them go unchecked, the more likely you are to face costly repairs or even engine failure. Tip: inspect your car regularly for leaks and address them promptly. 7, ignoring overheating. Heat is an engine's worst enemy. It can warp cylinder heads, cause oil to burn, trigger misfires, and lead to a serious loss of power. Overheating can even cause a blown head gasket, mixing coolant and oil together, which is a recipe for engine disaster. The symptoms of overheating are easy to spot. Look for white smoke from the exhaust or a high temperature gauge. If your engine starts overheating, pull over immediately. The longer you drive, the more damage you'll cause, and a full engine replacement might be on the horizon. Tip: if your engine starts overheating, stop driving and call for a tow. Number 8, driving through standing water. This one's an easy mistake to make, especially after a heavy rainstorm. But driving through standing water, especially if it's deep enough to reach the air intake, can flood your engine. Water in the intake can cause the engine to shut down immediately, and in some cases, it can cause serious internal damage. Off-road vehicles sometimes have a raised air intake, a snorkel, to handle deeper water, but for regular cars, don't risk it. Water in the engine is a recipe for disaster. Tip: avoid driving through deep puddles. If you absolutely must, make sure you know the depth limitations of your vehicle. Number 9, skipping regular maintenance. We all know we should be doing regular oil changes, but many people skip them to save time or money. Here's the thing: when you skip oil changes, the oil starts breaking down into sludge. This sludge can't lubricate your engine properly, leading to faster wear and even engine seizing. It's the same with transmission oil. If you neglect it, the transmission can overheat and fail. The costs for these kinds of repairs are steep, so don't put off your routine maintenance. It's the best way to avoid major engine problems. Tip: stick to the recommended maintenance schedule for your car. It may seem like a hassle, but it's worth it in the long run. Bonus tip: the magic of engine oil additives. Here's a little-known secret. Engine oil additives can give your oils a superhero upgrade. These additives improve the oil's ability to handle extreme temperatures, reduce wear and tear, and even boost fuel efficiency. It's like giving your engine a little extra protection. Adding an engine oil additive is easy. Just pour it in during your next oil change. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your engine's longevity. Your engine is the heart of your car, and taking care of it is the best way to save yourself from costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. By avoiding these common bad habits, you can extend your engine's life and enjoy a better, more reliable driving experience. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way. Treat your engine well, and it will reward you with better performance, fewer breakdowns, and lower repair costs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who might be guilty of these habits. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on keeping your car in top shape.